Today we will draw Pinocchio using the grid method. Create a grid to follow along by drawing 9 equal squares, or take a screenshot and print it. Then all you need to do is draw your lines in each square as shown after they have been drawn in a way to show you. Remember to slow or pause the video to fit your drawing needs.